Hello and welcome to this 10-minute morning gratitude meditation brought to you by the Silver Balance Academy. The idea of practicing this meditation video every day for the next 30 days is to start your morning in a much more positive way. For me, the morning is the best time of day to practice my meditation. I always feel calmer and better rested and more relaxed. I can get a much deeper response from my practice. And what better way to raise your mood than showing gratitude for all the things that you have in your life and flush your whole body with endorphins and other stress-relieving hormones. So if you're ready, we can begin in the normal way. Just close your eyes. Take a few nice long deep breaths in through your nose and out. A couple more just to center your focus. Feel the air rushing in through your nose and out. Take another nice long deep breath in through your nose and out. Feel your body filling with air and then slowly relaxing as you breathe out again. Allow the sound of the raindrops to calm you and help you to drift into focus. So to start with, we're going to focus on some of the things that maybe we see every day that we don't really think about or show gratitude towards. Think about some of the things that you have in your home that you see every day that perhaps you don't think of as a blessing. Like the roof over your head, the walls that hold your house up that protect you from the cold winters. Or perhaps you live in a hot country or it's the summer. Think about the windows that you have or the fans that you have in your room to keep you cool. What about things like running water? Water is something that many people don't have access to. Think about how you can even choose the temperature of the water whenever you feel like it. Most people nowadays have a TV with hundreds of channels to choose from, with our newest TV shows to watch whenever we feel like it. Just focus now on some of the things that we just mentioned and keep that lovely smile on your face. Let it warm your whole body. And as that smile continues to reach your eyes, keep your breathing nice and long and deep. In through your nose and back out again. And keep that up for a couple more cycles. Nice long deep breaths as you remember all of the things that you have in your life that many others don't. Most people also have hobbies and activities that they enjoy to do on a regular basis. Focus on some of your hobbies that you do, that you know if you did not have them in your life would be a lot less fulfilling. And think about the opportunities for growth and development that these hobbies give you. Keep smiling as you remember all of the experiences that these things bring to your life. Next, we're going to work on one of the most complicated elements in most people's lives, which is the people that are around them on a regular basis. Some that we choose, some that we don't. Focus perhaps firstly on our parents and our siblings, or those that we live with. Maybe our wife or our partner or our husband, our immediate family. Sometimes things can be difficult when you see each other on a daily basis, but this is no different in any household. To provide harmony in your mind and in your home, you focus on the things about these people that are positive. Focus now on one person in particular and remember a wonderful time that you had together. Or perhaps you'd like to focus on your whole family as a group. Think about a time that you had together. Bearing in mind the current climate, I would try and focus on something that you did together that you haven't been able to do for a little while. Keep that smile on your face. Remember your family. Take in those long, deep breaths and feel your mood lifting into happiness. One nice, long, deep breath, followed by another. We're now going to focus on some of our friendships that we choose to have in our life. Just focus on maybe one or two people that mean the most to you. Focus on all of the times that you've had together. Remember all of the positive things that they bring to your life. And keep smiling and remembering. Remind yourself of how grateful you are to have them in your life. And keep breathing deeply. Feel your whole body lighting up with positivity as your mood lifts to another level and your morning seems just that bit brighter. Next, what you're going to do is focus on the people in your life that inspire you, motivate you, and drive you on to lead a better life. The people that challenge you are the people that are often the most important. They are often honest with you and question when you need to look at things in a different way. Those are often the people that are the most inspirational to you. Focus on them. Think about them and remember times where you really felt they made an impact on your life. Remember the opportunities that they might have given you. It doesn't have to be a teacher, it could be a friend, it could be your parents, it could be anybody that you'd like it to be. Be grateful for them and all that they bring to your life. Well done. Keep smiling. Feel those endorphins enriching your mind. Deep breaths in and out. Next, we're going to focus on our job or possibly maybe our education. Two of the things that can really trouble us, but some of the things that many people around the world do not have. A regular source of income, on education to help them to grow and lead a better life. Remember that although things might be tough at school, you have an education, and other people do not have those things. as we come to the last minute or so of this gratitude meditation, you're going to focus on the most important element in your life, which is you. Focus on the positive traits of your personality that you have spent time on developing so far. It could be your discipline, your kindness, your way of looking on the positive side of things. It could be your laughter that you bring to others. Anything that you can think about yourself, really focus hard on it. And be grateful for all you have become. And finally, what we're going to focus on as we finish the session is just one thing about our appearance. In today's world, there's so much pressure to look a certain way. And sometimes just remembering a part of your appearance that you're completely happy with can reduce that anxiety. And then just take a couple of deep breaths. Keep that smile on your face right up until the end. And as you release that last exhalation, just gently open your eyes. Just take a second to think about how you feel. People that practice gratitude and are taught it from a young age tend to lead much happier lives. Research has shown that people who practice gratitude often suffer much less from conditions like depression and anxiety. So why not try this video for the next 30 days and see how you feel after 1 month. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed the video and share it with your friends. Please also don't forget to click the like button and leave a comment in the section below, and also press that bell icon so that you get notifications when we upload a new session each week. Thank you for joining us.